Ever wondered what secrets the periodic table still keeps from us? Today we're diving into 5 of Earth's and the universe's most mind-blowing substances, metals and isotopes so rare, so powerful, and sometimes so dangerous that most people will never lay eyes on them. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's discover the hidden elements shaping our future. Number 5. Platinum, timeless power and prestige. We will begin with platinum. Worshipped by pharaohs, coveted by conquistadors, and today a pillar of high-tech medicine and clean energy. Platinum's density and corrosion resistance let it operate where lesser metals melt, inside car catalysts, petroleum refineries, and rocket engines. One of the most powerful medical tools in our arsenal is cisplatin, a chemotherapy drug based on platinum that has saved countless lives by disrupting the DNA of cancer cells. Platinum-based drugs are being refined to be even more effective and targeted, minimizing damage to healthy cells. In industry, platinum's unique catalytic properties enable efficient chemical reactions in fuel production, fertilizer manufacturing, and more. In fuel cells, platinum acts as a catalyst to combine hydrogen and oxygen into electricity and water, powering everything from forklifts to buses with zero emissions. And let's not forget its role in luxury. Platinum jewelry resists wear and tarnish better than any other precious metal, making it ideal for heirlooms and engagement rings meant to last generations. All of this for roughly $1,100 an ounce. Platinum is power, prestige, and practicality all rolled into one. Number 4. Palladium, the unsung hero of clean energy. If rhodium is the ninja, palladium is the tireless workhorse. This silvery metal doesn't just assist catalytic converters, it shoulders most of the load, turning toxic carbon monoxide into harmless CO2. When emission standards tightened in the 2010s, palladium prices rocketed past gold. Palladium is incredibly efficient at absorbing hydrogen gas. In fact, it can hold up to 900 times its own volume in hydrogen, making it an essential component in hydrogen purification systems and a critical element in fuel cells. Fuel cells are emerging as the next generation of clean energy, powering vehicles and buildings with nothing but water as the byproduct. You'll also find palladium behind the scenes in electronics. It helps build multi-layer ceramic capacitors, MLCCs, which are crucial to the function of smartphones, laptops, and virtually every modern gadget. Dentists use palladium in alloys for crowns and bridges due to its strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion. It may not get the same spotlight as gold or platinum, but palladium is essential to the technologies shaping our modern and sustainable future. Number 3. Tritium, fuel of the future. Picture an invisible gas, lighter than air, brighter than neon, capable of powering the sun's very own fusion reaction. Enter tritium, a rare isotope of hydrogen with a 12-year half-life and a price tag around $850,000 an ounce. Unlike the stable hydrogen we find in water, tritium is radioactive, and it emits low-energy beta particles, making it relatively safe to handle with proper shielding. It's already used in applications that require low-light visibility for years without electricity. Think military-grade watches, night sights, and emergency signs that glow 24/7. But tritium's potential goes far beyond the mundane. In experimental fusion reactors like ITER and DEMO, tritium is the fuel that could unlock clean, limitless energy. When fused with deuterium at ultra-high temperatures, tritium releases massive energy, enough to power entire cities without the risk of nuclear meltdown or long-term waste. However, producing tritium is a major challenge, as it occurs naturally only in trace amounts. Scientists are now exploring ways to breed tritium in reactors, using lithium blankets, an innovative approach to generate the fuel as the reaction proceeds. If fusion becomes viable, tritium will be the heart of that revolution. Number 2, californium, the million-dollar atom. Now crank the dial from rare to radioactive. Californium-252 is so scarce and specialized it commands $27 million per gram. Why? Because each tiny particle spits out a torrent of neutrons, perfect for kickstarting nuclear reactors, scanning aircraft parts for cracks, or probing deep underground for oil and gold. This element was first synthesized in 1950 by researchers at the University of California, Berkeley. Since then, its applications have been jaw-droppingly diverse and powerful. In the oil industry, Californium is used in neutron moisture gauges and well logging, a method that helps geologists map underground formations and locate oil or mineral deposits. In aviation and manufacturing, Californium-based neutron radiography can reveal tiny cracks or flaws inside metal components long before they become catastrophic failures. In the medical world, Californium-252 serves a role in cancer therapy, providing targeted neutron radiation to destroy tumors. But its immense power comes with equally immense risk. It must be stored in lead-shielded containers, handled remotely, and constantly monitored. Just a few micrograms can emit dangerous levels of radiation. It's a precision tool with apocalyptic potential. Number 1. Rhodium, the silent supermetal. Imagine a metal 100 times rarer than gold, bright enough to make a diamond jealous, and tough enough to survive almost any chemical attack. Meet rhodium, the platinum group ninja quietly cleaning the air every time you start your car. A single ounce can fetch well over $10,000, but that price has spiked as high as $25,000 when supply runs thin. That volatility makes Wall Street sweat, yet the world's automakers can't live without it. It's the secret weapon that strips deadly nitrogen oxides from exhaust. What makes rhodium so exceptional is its extraordinary resistance to corrosion and oxidation, even at high temperatures. That's why it's the go-to metal for catalytic converters, where it operates under brutal engine conditions, converting toxic emissions into less harmful substances. But it doesn't stop there. In the world of fashion and luxury, rhodium is the unsung hero, giving white gold its shimmering brilliance. Its mirror-like finish doesn't just look stunning, it protects jewelry from tarnish and scratches. And did you know, rhodium's also used in high-precision instruments and as a reflective coating for optical devices, especially in satellites and mirrors. It's rare, it's resilient, and it's indispensable. From invisible gases lighting our exits to radioactive atoms kickstarting reactors, these hidden elements quietly shape the world and may be the future of humanity. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop a comment, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for the next episode of Hidden Nature Files. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.